Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade. Textbook page number 14. Chapter number system. The topic is round off these numbers to the nearest 10. Now round up and round down. Round off these numbers to the nearest 10. State in patterns whether you have round up or round down. Now the example is 36 is round up and the answer is 40. The 36 the part A 36 has done here. So now B 78. Part B is 78. Now the nearest 10 is 10, 70 and 80. So the 78 has written here. So look at here, what is the near 80 or 70? 1 and then 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70 is 7 digit 4 from 78 and the 80 is near to the 78. So the answer is now 78. We have written 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 and 79 and then 80. There are two values of tens, 70 and 80. Now we have to find out 78 is near to 70 or 80. So you can see that 78 is near to the 80. It's 1 digit 4 from 80 and there are 8 digit difference between 70 and 78. So the answer is 80 because 80 is near to the 78. So it's the round up because we are 80 is greater than 78. Question number G 432. Now you have to find out the nearest 10. So the nearest 10 will be ones and tens. So 30 we will write here 430, 431. Now I have written the values from 430 to 440. The value is 432. Now we have to find the nearest 10. What will be the nearest 10 from 430 or 440? So the 430 is near to the 432. So the answer will be 430. And 430 is less than 432. So it will be round down. Now look at here, from part A to part P, you have to solve it on your neat copies. Now part 2, round off these numbers to the nearest 100. Now round off these numbers to the nearest 100. Now you have to find the nearest 100. The question is 288. So 200 we will start counting from 200 to 300. So the easy way is also look at the last digit, it's 8. If it is less than 5, if 8 is less than 5, so it will be round down. And greater than 5, then it will be round up. And the digit 8 is greater than 5, so it means we will do it round up. 288 is near to the 300 or simply it is the greater than 5, so it will be the round up. The answer is 300. Now from part A to part P, solve it on your neat copies. Now part C, round off these quantities to the nearest 1000. Round off these numbers to the nearest 1000. Now we have to find the nearest 1000. So how we will find it? We will find the 100 If 100 is less than 5, so we will do the round down. If the 100 is greater than 5, then it will be round up. So the digit 4 is less than 5, so it will be round down. Round down means the answer is 2000. So the sign of dollar will come with the answer. The part C, rupees 12,987. How we will find the nearest thousand? We will check out the value of 100. Ones, tens and 100. 100 is 9. So the digit 9 is greater than 5. So it will be the round up. Round up means what will come after 12? 30. So the answer is 30,000 rupees. It is the round up. Now from part A to part F, solve it on your neat copy.